Good morning everyone and welcome to this video in which I will tell you about everything you need to know about Bitcoin today. So alright, let me first adjust the camera a little bit and I hope it doesn't turn off. So I hope you're all doing great. Bitcoin obviously has become a little bit more bullish over the last 24 hours and also yesterday. I mean, most of you know that. So we'll talk a little bit about the fundamentals causing that and also look at the technical, some interesting ideas, some interesting theories. Pretty interesting video, I guess. First of all, well, we can see that Bitcoin, the volume is actually still pretty high, I believe. It's decent. It's like at around 10% of the market cap. That's pretty high, like relative to other times. That's pretty high. It hasn't grown though. If you take a look at the price, you can see that we're kind of balancing around 17 or 16,700, 16,500, that kind of area. And the main reason why we actually found support at 15,700 and started going back up again is, well, first of all, some more stability in the market. I mean, I know that the fundamentals are still not looking great. There's still a lot of fear of more bankruptcies and halting of withdrawals and that kind of stuff. But at some point, it's going to cool down, right? I mean, this cannot keep going on forever, as we've seen throughout history with all these black swan events, if you would like to call them that. At some point, the market will stabilize, and that's one of the beauties of crypto, I think. But apart from that, the main reason was that the Dixie, or the dollar index, is falling again. And I can only make assumptions on why that happened, all right? Even though I think my assumptions are pretty accurate, but that's also just an assumption. But the Dixie is falling, the dollar index, or the strength of the dollar. If that's falling, that's good for crypto. Why is it falling? I believe yesterday, and all that news, you can always find out more about that in the Cilinix Crypto Discord. What happened yesterday? I believe, it's. I mean, I have to check it out yesterday. So we got the FOMC minutes, and I think something was being said there. That was like right here with this candle. I think something was being said there that they might slow down the increasing of the interest rates, because the inflation rate was obviously lower than expected last period. That is very bullish fundamentally for Bitcoin, because a higher interest rate is bad for crypto. So if they say that they're going to increase it a little bit less, because they will still increase it with this inflation, that's good for crypto. So that's why we are bullish right now, and that's why we also have a possibility of going up even more. I'm not sure when the interest rate is. I think it's I still think it takes some time. I could check out next week real quick. Again, all of this you will definitely know if you join the Discord. I think it's the first week of December, the first full week of December. If we have one in December, actually, but I think we do. Now, if we purely technically look at Bitcoin, also taking into account the fundamentals, what I think the most likely scenario is that right now we've broken above this support level at around 16,300, 16,250. I think we'll take a break retest, and I think we'll start to try to break above 17,000, which is our major resistance now. I can definitely see a world where we would break through that immediately and get to our next price target between 17,600 and 18,000. That's the next resistance level. However, I think it's a little bit more likely that we will find resistance at 17,000 first. And then at some point, if we can actually stay in this range, at some point I do think we will break above 17,000. But staying in this range might be difficult with the bearish fundamentals going on. So I will definitely be back with more updates on Bitcoin. I do them like every 2 days now, every other day. But for now, that's my Bitcoin update for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, have a great day and bye.